Hello viewers, I am going to make the tomato say we can say kadayal or tomato घोटने का प्याज के साथ, which will be very tasty with idli, dosa, chapati etc. and very healthy and easy also for all ages of people. At this situation, when we make like this and eat, it is very helpful. So going to take half a kilo of tomatoes and then few green chilies, say 10 to 15 according to your taste, and the garlic pearls I have taken 7 to 8, and then one handful, that is 2 onions sliced, big onion. Better that we have the small onions. I am not able to get, so I am getting it. This you can do one thing, this you can fry all these things and then you can cook it in the cooker for 2 whistles, then smash it and season it and take. But what I am going to do is, I am going to put everything together and I am going to cook it in the cooker, then smash and then season it. Along with this, I am adding some 1 spoon of cumin and zira roasted powder and half a spoon of say turmeric powder and salt to taste. Let us see what I am doing. Hello viewers, I have cut all the tomatoes and kept all the ingredients inside. Plus I have kept one say small gooseberry size tamarind because we want some sour taste, and salt, and I have kept the 1 teaspoon of roasted cumin and zira cumin and fenugreek powder and turmeric powder, salt to taste. I am going to keep this in the cooker for 2 whistles, then I will smash it and then season it. Now the tomato and other ingredients are cooked in the cooker. I have transferred it to a pot. I am going to smash it now and then season it. It will be very tasty and yummy. Don't smash too much. It should not be so much of, it should not be very fine. Just like this we have to do it. Now the kadayal is ready. यानी ये अच्छी तरह से घोट कर स्मैश हो गया. इसी तरह से घोटना है. We have to smash it like this, and some people they do it in the mixie. That is not the correct method. You should have the things coarsely like this, then only it is tasty and nutritious. Now I am adding the stock of it. Now you cook it, give a boil on the stove, and when it boils, season it and take it. Now let us see the taste of salt etc. Urad dal, mustard, urad dal, zira, asafoetida, then onion and curry leaf. Adding half a spoon of ghee. Now I am adding this. When it becomes brown, I will add it to the tomato bharta or kadayal. We call it bhurta, and I think that in Tamil we call it kadayal, and in English I don't know what it is. Maybe it may be called curry or gravy, whatever it is. A side dish for idli dosa. See, nice flavor comes of this seasoning. You can see the onion is turning brown, and at this stage we can add it to the kadai. This is the kadayal, and we can take it with idlis, pongal, dosa etc. even with the rice. Today I am going to eat like this, and pongal is made by my daughter, idli is by myself. Nowadays the tomatoes are very cheap. You can make it and then with as I made the correct proportion and enjoy it. It's a healthy, authentic method which increases your immunity in the body. I pray Almighty to take care of you and get rid of this dreadful disease and be happy. Have a nice day and be at home safe. Enjoy my recipes. If you like, please subscribe. Thank you.